Women on the Web. Hi, are you a woman in business? Do you want to learn more about how to use digital tools and technology to help run and market your business? Then Women on the Web is for you. Women on the Web is a membership platform where businesswomen have access to a group of fantastic female experts who love teaching other ladies all about the internet, digital marketing, social media, websites, and much, much more. Our expert panel of contributor partners have produced short, easy-to-follow video tutorials on a wide range of topics, all designed to give you help on a specific issue when you need it most. So, if you ever get stuck on spreadsheets, frustrated by Photoshop, modeled by Microsoft, or are just plain curious, let Women on the Web guide you through the digital minefield. Sign up to www.womenontheweb.co.uk today.